Yeah, this is the Badlands horseshoe Badlands.
Oh, so
There's a park still. Yeah. So you will see. Look like a canyon.
Pile of ice.
Oh.
Solid ice, yeah. This was carved out by a big glacier 15,000 years ago.
15,000.
Now you can see the little, see all that black
Yeah.
down there? That's raw coal. At one time there used to be 130 coal mines down through this canyon. And this canyon goes down this way and over that way for about 175 kilometers.
Whoa.
We will be driving down into it today. But most of the coal, all the coal mines are closed now because we found so much oil and gas. We don't need coal. I think we're going to have a nice day.
Yeah.
Of course, I could be wrong.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, it's a little wet, but it's not bad. It's a nice little walking trail, just around, comes in a circle down through here. Try to stay on that, and you won't get all muddied up. Okay? The tops of the hoodoos are made of sandstone, with little caps, and then that light brown is compacted alluvial soils, and then the darker stuff underneath is clay.
Oh.
Okay? We'll have a little walk, take some pictures.
Ah. Oh my gosh, so beautiful.
So the guy told us that the bottom is clay and the top is like sand or something. I think it is. Dry sand. It's very windy. It's like an infinity Badlands.